JDCap26 here to do tips and pairs and hobbies. And you're wondering maybe, guys, why we're staring at a toilet paper rack. Well, the one before we had was all crooked, put up all wrong. And I found this one on Amazon, and it seemed to be, the ticket. It's the larger version, which I suggest, because toilet paper roll is a little bit bigger. And there's, on the back of this, there's a sticker, and you pull the red tape off, and you stick it to the wall, and then underneath there's two screws you put in the wall. You can use mollies if you want. I didn't have to, but let me tell you the trick to this. I not only bit the two screws, I also put a little green stuff on the back, on like all four corners, and that stuff really holds well. And let's put the level up there. And it's not too bad, it's pretty level. And I used the level to put it up. So the tip to this is always use a level when you're hanging something, such as a paper towel, toilet paper rack, or a picture frame. So thanks for watching, have a good day. Please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.